You made it. You're week 5 of the challenge, 90 days to your next home. Awesome job. If you're joining us, if you're just now joining us, you're welcome to go back and watch the 4 replays so you can get all caught up. But we're on a journey here for helping you buy your next home, help you understand the process and build a roadmap to buy your next home, whether it's your first home or it's your 5th home. We're excited to have you here and to share some of the updates about the process. So last week we talked about a wants versus needs list, and now the real fun begins because we get to start searching for a home. So if you were working with us, our first step would be to set you up on an MLS search. MLS means multiple listing service, and that's where most agents will list properties for sale. So we're going to set you up on a search with that, given the parameters that you've selected, and that's going to have some various information like pricing, area, size of home, etc. And those searches are going to come to you every day the minute they get listed on the market. There's a couple ways we can do a search. We can send it to you just daily, or we can send it to you so that anytime anything new that comes up in your search criteria, it's going to show up in your inbox and you can be right on that. We do have a couple of hints for you. Once you start getting those emails, there's a way for you to like them, favorite them, make comments about them. That's always great for you to help keep track of the different homes that you like online. Click on that Google search button, go to the street view, look around, make sure that you're looking at the areas and the street. You can even drive by the homes ahead of time if you want to. And then once you've seen some houses that you want to go see the insides of, then we're going to create a list and we're going to go out and look through those homes. We're going to talk a little bit about what showings look like next week, so I'm not going to go into that, but just a few hints for you in that the home search process is stay excited, don't get discouraged. Sometimes when you're going into homes, you're like, wow, the pictures look totally different online than they look in person. That's all part of the process. And quite frankly, it can be all part of the fun. One of the things that we do sometimes is we'll name the houses. So we might say, oh, hey, that's the Great View house, or that's the purple carpet house, or that's the yellow kitchen house, just to kind of help you keep track of them, because sometimes they do blur together as you're starting to see a lot of homes. But our ultimate goal is to find you that great house that matches the area, the price, those needs that you needed on your list. We also do have a way for you to remember those wants versus needs. And in starting the home search process, if you look in your guide, there's a home search worksheet. Make sure that you filled that out. That becomes very helpful for you to kind of keep track of things. And we're just excited that you're here. Great job with setting this goal for yourself of buying either your next home or your first home. Make sure, I've said it in every single video, but make sure you've joined the Facebook group. You'll find it packed with like-minded individuals and some really great extra information, extra tips, extra tools for you to use in this process. Thank you so much for allowing us to be part of this journey with you and to help you create your roadmap. Next week, we're going to talk more about showings. We can't wait to see you. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us. You can email us, text us, DM us, or you can set an appointment for an initial consultation. I'm Trisha Ashby with Move Utah Real Estate.